Okay, so we're going to learn how to graph a linear regression line using the online calculator www.desmos.com. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go to Google Sheets. So if you're already in your Google Drive, so I'm in my Drive, I want to open up a new Google Sheets blank spreadsheet. And I already have some data, but what I want to do is I want to make what we call a t-chart. I want to make some x and y values, and I'm going to input the data from my problem. So I have this data from, just as an example, so I'm going to put this data in. So here's all my data. So this is the information that you would pull from the problem that you're looking at. Okay, so what is a linear regression? Basically, it's a line of best fit, and this program, this graphing calculator, will allow us to plot all these points, these ordered pairs, and it will draw automatically for us a line of best fit and give us the equation and give us the correlation coefficient, which tells us how strong the data is, how positively correlated or negatively correlated, or how close the points are together, or how and if they have a positive slope, or how close the points are together and if they have a negative slope. Okay, so you want to open up a www.desmos.com. I already have a tab open here. So what you want to do is you want to go back to your spreadsheet and you want to copy and paste your chart. Now if you're using a Chromebook, you want to two-finger tap and copy. So I'm just going to go here and copy my chart, and then go back over to this Desmos. You're going to click right here, and you're going to two-finger tap your mouse pad and paste it in. So I am going to edit and paste mine in. And you'll notice it pastes in the whole chart, and it also plots the points for you. So now what we have to do is to get it to draw a line of best fit. So there is, and if you want this link, I can email it to you. It's here's the link right here, and it's also I just googled line of regression or line of best fit Desmos online graphing calculator. So what it wants us to do is it wants us to type in this equation so that it gives us a line of best fit. So I go here, and in this line down here, I'm going to type y, this little sub 1, and then you have to hit over so that your cursor goes out of the subspace, a tilde, x sub 1 m plus b. You'll notice it draws a line for us, okay, which is our line of best fit, and it also gives us some statistics and some parameters. So the m and the b are the parameters that we're looking for our line of best fit. So remember, m stands for slope. So this is telling us that the slope is equal to 0.788, and the b is my y-intercept. So that's 1.95722. So if you were to write an equation for this line, you would say it's y equals 0.788x plus 1.96. We'll round it up to a 6. And that would be my equation for line of best fit. This R value right here is the correlation coefficient. It's 0.97. A correlation coefficient is the number between -1 and +1. If it's a positive number, it's a positive slope. If it's a negative number, it's a negative slope. The closer the number is to either 1 or -1 means that the data is strongly together, or strongly correlated. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, great job.